Only one bite of this sweet corn and plum combination and you understand why so many people love it. Simple ingredients, incredible flavor and almost no effort required. Let me show you how to cook this yummy sweet corn and African pear, also known as plum. First, remove some of the husk and the silk from the corn. Avoid removing all the husk as it helps to trap the sweetness and maintain the taste of the corn. Repeat the process until everything is clean and nice. And voila, this is how our corn looks like after removing the husk. Next, wash the corn thoroughly with clean water. Place the clean corn into a pot and pour in enough water. Add some salt according to your taste and of course the quantity of corn you are boiling. Cover the pot and allow it to cook until tender. Depending on the freshness of the corn, this may take about 45 to 60 minutes. Once the corn is ready, remove and put in an open pan for it to get cold. As you can see, I placed mine on a strainer so the excess water in the corn will come out. Now, let's cook our plum. Wash the plum thoroughly and place it in a frying pan. Then, add small water to it and a pinch of salt. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then, flip the sides and cook for another 2 minutes. Be careful not to overcook the plums as they can become too soft. At this point, the plum is ready, but to make it taste better, we'll allow it to roast on the frying pan for about 1 minute until you see that beautiful crack on the plum. Now that the plum is ready, go ahead and remove the husk from the corn. Then serve the corn and the plum hot. Some people usually struggle to eat the corn directly from the cup. This is how to remove the corn. If you grew up in Cameroon, this combination probably brings back wonderful memories. The corn is tender, juicy and packed with natural sweetness. Serve it warm and enjoy with family and friends. Have you tried sweet corn and plums before? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Nagai's Haven for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.